So the Lotus was sailed as a Sea Scout ship for the Boy Scouts from the 70s up through the mid-2000s. My sister had the opportunity to sail on it in the early 2000s, and I got to spend a lot of time looking at it throughout my youth growing up on Lotus Bay. So New Energy Works got involved in the project many years ago, even before New Energy Works knew about it. I was part of a group of people who looked at the boat in 2017 and determined that the boat needed to go somewhere for work. And that place ended up being the Cayuga Wooden Boat Works company over on Cayuga Lake, which is close to us here. So the Cayuga Wooden Boat Works reached out to us and said, hey, can we bring some big pieces of timber over for you to help cut up for us? At the bottom of a boat, it's called the keel. It's very heavy. There's a big bunch of lead on that, so they've removed the bottom part of the keel off of the boat. It's a big piece of timber that's really rotten, and what they did was they brought over some new slabs of white oak for us to use our big timber saws to help roughly shape into the right shape, and then we're going to give those back to the boat company, and they're going to kind of hand plane those out and to reinstall them back into the bottom of the boat.